December 12th, 2024. I've changed to the USB to serial adapter, FTDI, from a DB9 to the DB15 on the GP port of the Codan. The other one I tested was the SCS DR7800, where I came out of the TRX control port and into the DB15 of the Codan. That one failed approximately 9 channel changes and it stalled. We're going to test it here now on an actual USB to serial adapter, the FTDI chipset. I have the version 1.7.20.2 current Winlink Express. I'm running the Pactor Winlink session so I can use the channels selection. You'll see here it initialized at DR7800, Pactor 4, COM7, 115.200. And to talk to the Codan, I'm using COM8. That's the USB to serial adapter at 115.200 as well. Channel selector 3613.5 on the screen is 3615.0 on the channel selector. Channel selector uses the center frequency, not the dial frequency. On Winlink Express, you have to enter the center frequency to get to the dial frequency. Okay, we're on the first channel. I'm going to move to the second channel, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, the 10th. We've already gone past where it stalled before. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'll stop at 30. I'll go back to the 3615, so the dial frequency 3613.5. And there we have it. Obviously, the right way to wire this is not using the TRX control from the SCS modem, but to use a serial port, RS-232, or equivalent USB to serial adapter. And the frequency selector works way better. End of the